being able to communicate effectively with people with different backgrounds around the world is keenly important because every business inside every country is unique. Definitely every career is global.
There's a human element and human factor that's related to this, which is just understanding people who might be different than you or understanding people who might have a different perspective than you.
We presented different ways that we've gone into different parts of the world, and what was really cool was the interaction. I went around, talked to a couple different teams while they were talking through. They asked awesome questions, and I think everybody was able to learn from everybody in the room.
I've got to be aware of what's going on in those countries just to know how they're feeling and what their day is like and what next week might be like. So it's extremely important from that perspective.
Inclusion is an absolute must from the standpoint of no one really works in a silo anymore.
We have staff pretty equally divided between China, Korea, Japan, US, UK, France, Germany, Italy, the Nordics, and the Benelux kind of region. So we need staff who understand how to work across those cultures.
That's certainly true for our company. We operate in 19 countries around the world, and being able to interact with all of those different constituents around the world is key to making our business successful.
Just from an empathy perspective, right? Empathy to me is just like a core foundation, a core value. I think everybody has it and there's an ability to train it. I think programs like this help with that. Because as you work with individuals across markets, you're going to want to understand first where they're coming from before you're trying to put your perspective and opinion out there.
When you're managing people around the world, they still want to feel like, hey, this person knows me and understands me.
There's a phrase that's always talked about called emotional intelligence. Well, I actually believe in something called cultural intelligence. And cultural intelligence really starts with awareness.